Okay, this is a phone. I'm coming to replace the battery. As you can see, the battery become very big, already damaged, the cover already open. Okay, if you have data at home, just hit it at least for 5 to 15 minutes. If you have data at home, just try to open. This one is a rubber, it's not a glass. Okay, but if you have data, make it more easy for you to open. Okay, just hit it at the edge. Okay, just hit it at the edge where the cover is closed. This side already open, so it is all inside here. So it will become weak. Okay, but if you have data, just try to open it. This one is rubber. Okay, after you hit it small, the cover already open. Just put your hand inside because it's already open. But if your own never open, use the tools. You open it right hand. Okay, remove the back. Okay, now you need to take out all the screw. So many men screw. Make sure you remove all the screw. Make sure you take out all the screw. Okay, just leave only the two screw, the one on the ringer side here. Okay, as you can see, the color is even different. It's not the same like with the other screw. Take out all the other white screw. Okay, make sure you remove all the screw. After I take out all the screw, there's another two screw under the camera cover. Make sure you remove this camera cover. Take it out. Okay, they take out all the screw under there also. Make sure you take out all the screw under there. Okay, take out the SIM tray to the one side. Open the cover right hand. If you have nails, use your nails and open it right hand. Okay, if you don't have the nails, just use your tool to open it right hand. Careful for the fingerprint cable. Okay, just slide it a bit like this. Disconnect the fingerprint cable from here. Okay, disconnect the battery. Okay, take out this plastic. Shiny plastic on top. Take out this one first. Okay, then you hold the green one. You pull the green one. Take out the battery. Okay, put the new one. Make sure you put it very nice. So the plastic is up. Fix the battery terminal very nice. Before you put the battery down, so you don't lose the position of the battery. Okay, make sure all the plastic is up. So the battery rests properly. Make sure the plastic is up. Okay, then make sure you straight this connector very well. Close this plastic. Okay, put back the fingerprint cable. Connect it back very nice. Put back the back cover. Start closing from the top. Squeeze it down right round. Make sure close properly. Place all the screw inside here first before you put the camera cover. Okay, If you like, and replace all the screw first. Okay, replace everything, that you put the camera cover, then you just put the glue. Okay, make sure you replace all the screw you take out. Okay, replace all the screw. Okay, after you replace all the screw, then put back the camera cover. Then make sure you squeeze it hard so the clip will rest properly. Okay, put back the glue right around the phone. Make sure you put it very nice at the edge of the phone, very nice. Okay, after you put the glue right around the phone, then put the cover very straight. Okay, very straight, very nice like this. Okay, put back the SIM tray. Okay, if you have a rubber, like, you can use at least for 30 minutes so the glue will come dry before you take it out. Just put like this and put here also. Put here also. Okay, now you on the phone to test the phone. As you can see, the phone is on, but you don't need to use the phone. You have to off the phone and put the phone on charge for 100% full before you use the phone. Even the battery is 80 something pounds, still need to charge 100% full before you use the phone, so you don't spoil the new battery inside. Okay, now the phone is on, everything is good. That means it's okay.
Hello guys, if you like my video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.